the matrix method of solving the system of equations. So we are to solve this system of equations using matrix method. We learned to solve this system of equations in our class 10th using substitution method and elimination method. Now we have to solve this system using matrix method. As the name suggests, matrix method, so that means we are going to use matrices. So I'll explain the method through an example. Yes, the first equation is 2x plus 3y equals to 14. Second equation is x minus 5y equals to minus 6. First, make sure that all the equations in the system are written in standard form. And when I say standard form, it means that all the variables should be on one side. So here, there are two variables x and y, and the term containing the variable are on the left hand side. So, in the first equation, coefficient of x is 2, so I write 2 here. Coefficient of y is 3, so I write here 3. Then in the second equation, coefficient of x is 1, so I write this coefficient below 2. Coefficient of y is negative 5, so I write it below 3. So I form a matrix. This matrix is multiplied with the matrix containing the elements x and y, the variables in the equation. This is equals to 14 minus 6, this matrix. Now look here, it is a 2 by 2 order matrix. This is a 2 by 1 order matrix, and this is again 2 by 1. If I multiply these two matrices, what do I get? First row will be multiplied with the first column, so I'll be getting 2x plus 3y, and second row will be multiplied with the first column, so it's x minus 5y. I'll be getting this matrix, and it is equal to this. Now these two matrices are equal, so this would imply 2x plus 3y equals to 14, which is the first equation, and x minus 5y is minus 6, which is the second equation. So this is the matrix form of this system of equations. So I have represented this system of equations in this matrix form. So this is the matrix form. Now here I call this matrix as A, this matrix as X, and this matrix as B. So the matrix equation is A into X is equal to B, and I have to find the matrix X. Now this A is called the coefficient matrix. Now I compute the determinant of this coefficient matrix, that is this determinant. It will be equal to minus 10 minus 3, which is negative 13. So determinant A is not equal to 0, and this implies that A inverse exists. Okay. Now A inverse exists, so therefore we multiply equation 1 by A inverse. And we write this as pre-multiply. Order is important. So I'll get A inverse AX is equal to A inverse B. Now A inverse A will give you I, the identity matrix. This is equals to A inverse B. I into X will give you X, which is A inverse B. So solution matrix X will be given by A inverse B. You know that inverse of a matrix is unique. So A inverse will be unique. Matrix B is fixed. So in this case, system will have a unique solution. So X is equal to A inverse B. Now in order to find out the matrix X, I need to find out A inverse. And I know that A inverse is given by adjoint A upon determinant A. So I need to find out the adjoint of A. So we write adjoint A as. Now look here. A is a 2 by 2 order matrix. And in a 2 by 2 order matrix, we know how to write the adjoint. Yes, we interchange these two elements. So -5 here, 2 here. And we change the sign of these elements. It's +1. So in the adjoint, it will be. So A inverse will be adjoint A upon determinant A. Determinant was -13. So it's 1 over -13 into adjoint, which is this matrix. So therefore, X is equal to A inverse B. So substitute the value of A inverse here. So it's -1 over 13, -5, -3, 2 into the matrix B. And B was this matrix. So it's 14 minus 6. So X is equal to, yes, multiply these two matrices. This. So that will give you -52 and it's -26, which is, so matrix X is this. And what was X? It is this matrix. So this is equals to this, and on comparison we will get X is equal to 4 and Y is equal to